Hello, boys and girls. We're going to do a math lesson today, but we're going to start with a little bit of warm-up. We're going to start counting to 75, and we're going to use our fingers to keep track of what set of 10 we're on. Because I know sometimes when we count that far, we lose track of where we are. Okay, so each time we get to a 10, we'll put another finger up so we can remind ourselves if we counted by tens which one we're on. I'll help you with that. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you should be doing the same thing with me. Make sure you're counting out loud. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, we're going now to practice one more, or actually not one more, but more or less. So I want you to grab your 10 frame and your marker out of your toolkit, and we're going to use the back side. It's just going to be a plain solid thing with nothing on it. So we're going to draw on that because we're going to be drawing some pictures. Okay. Now, I'm going to use my whiteboard and I'm going to draw, I'm going to pick an object that I'm going to draw, and I think I'm going to start with this, and you're just waiting on me right now. Okay. Let me get my picture drawn. And okay, here's my picture. I chose to draw stars. So let's count and let's see how many stars I have, okay? Let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want you not to draw my 6 stars, but I want you to draw some set of pictures. You can pick stars if you want. You can pick some other kind of shape if you want. And I want you to draw something that has less than mine. So you're going to draw a less number of objects than mine, and I will give you a minute to work on that. If you need to pause the video, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and, okay, so here's my 6. Think of things that would be less than 6. If I drew 1, is that less than 6? Yep. So if you drew something that had just one picture, you got it. What if I drew 2 circles. Is that less than 6? Yeah. And 3 circles is less than 6. 4 circles is less than 6. 5 circles is less than 6. What if I drew 6 circles or 7 circles? Is that less than 6? No, so I don't want that many. I can only go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can draw anything that had 1 picture, 2 pictures, 3 pictures, 4 pictures, or 5 pictures. Okay, I'm going to erase those stars now, and I'm going to draw another picture, and we'll do this one more time, and let's see, what am I going to draw this time? Okay, this time I drew smiley faces. How many smiley faces did I draw? Let's count them out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you're not going to draw my 4. You're going to draw this time something that's more than 4. So whatever picture you choose to draw more than 4 of them on the back of your 10 frame. Okay, if you need to pause the video, that's fine. All right, here are my 4 smiley faces, and you are going to draw more than 4. So that means I have to draw at least 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, but that's not more yet. So I have to draw at least 1 more to be more than 4. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is more than 4. Okay. How do I know that? Because if I have the same, everybody's going to have a partner. So I can kind of attach them. And if I have left over down here, I have more. Okay, because I drew more and this guy doesn't have a partner up here. Okay, if I did this one doesn't have a partner, so I drew fewer than 4. And if I had done this and everybody had a partner, that would be the same. I have the same number of smiles as triangles. Okay. The other day we read the book, 10 Apples Up on Top. And we're not going to take the time today to read all of that book again, but we're just going to check in with some of the animals and see how many apples they have on their heads. And then we're going to see if that is more or less. Okay, so let's look at, let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at this lion right here. Okay, how many does the lion have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me write that number up there. I'm going to turn around and write it on my board so you can see it at the same time. Okay, let's see if I can do this. He has 3. All right. The dog has 1, 2. Which one has more apples? The lion or the dog? The lion. How do we know? Because they wouldn't all have a partner, would they? If I drew an imaginary line and drew another imaginary line, this apple right here is not going to have a partner. Okay? Let me show you a little bit better on some cubes. I think these will be easier to see. Okay? I have a stack of connecting cubes here, and I tried to make them all different colors so maybe they'd be easy to count. So let's count these together and see how many are on this tower. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 on this tower. Okay. And on this tower, I'm going to set this one down for a moment. On this tower, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 on this one, and we said 9 on this one. Which tower has more? Is it 9 or is it 6? 9. Right. How do you know? How do you know that 9 is more than 6? Okay. Are 9 fingers more? Do you have to put up more fingers to show 9 than you do 6? Yeah. Would you have to draw more pictures to draw 9 pictures instead of 6? Yeah. What if I put my 2 towers right next to each other? Is that an easy way to see which one has more? Because these have partners, but these do not. So 9 is more than 6. Okay, let's look at another set. Okay, let's look at this tower first. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's look at this tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this tower has 4, and this tower has 4. Which tower has more? Let's put them together and see. Does one of the towers have more or less? This time they have the same number. How do I know that? Because my towers are the same size. Everybody has a partner on this tower. Everybody has a partner. Okay, let's look at one more. Okay. Oops. Whoop, about dropped my tower there. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3. And this tower has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 5. Which tower has more? Is it 3 or 5? Oh, my second tower this time has more. So 3 is less than 5 because I don't have enough to give these two a partner this time. So 3 is less or smaller than 5. Okay, so we're going to work on those words and understanding what they mean. The words more, the same, and fewer. Fewer means less, more is more, and the same is when they're exactly equal. Okay? Enjoy the rest of your math lesson today.